Hi everyone. Today I want to show you my latest collection of shoes that I purchased. I bought these from a store called Bata, which is a really old store in India, which usually used to have shoes which were very basic kind of shoes, and they weren't very designer, or even if they were not very expensive. They were very economical and everybody could afford them. But now the shoe store is incorporating a lot of different styles, and basically going on towards the trendy side, and which is a nice thing. And the price range of the store is, it starts from really economical prices to decent prices, and the quality is usually quite good. Now a lot of different designs are coming up in the store, and so basically I like the store a lot. And it's those one of those age-old stores, shoe stores in India, which has classic designs, which has good quality, decent quality I should say, and a decent price. So I just went in and I bought these shoes on a whim, and so I'll just show you what I got to wear for a day-to-day purpose. The color of which is just lovely. It's very light sea green kind of a shade, with the classic Bata name. And the first pair of shoes that I am really excited about are these white sandals, or these white slippers, sandal kind of platform heels, which have this, they are beige in color. They have around an inch or an inch and a half heel, and they have these little glittery kind of things embroidered onto it, sequins, and they were around 450 rupees, which is really cheap, or really economical, whatever you'd like to call it. And they were 499 rupees, so I would say 500 rupees, and that's just dirt cheap. Now so these were the first pair of sandals that I got. They were formal, which I could wear with jeans or any Indian outfit. The next pair that I got are these pink and brown little sandals, which the size is 39, number 39, and they were around, these were a bit expensive because they are a little better quality than the previous ones, and they're really soft, and the sole is really mushy and like really softy, so it's just lovely. And this cloth is basically velvet with this this is a leather detail. Those were the two formal, semi-formal sandals that I got. Now the third one are these shoes. I don't know, they're really not sneakers, but they're just slip-on shoes. So this was 349 rupees, this pair, and the color is just beautiful. I have been wearing them like crazy, with even suits, and with my track pants, and even around the house. They're very comfy, they're super comfy, and they have this they're a little dirty because I've like worn them almost daily, and they have this little crystal flower. Hope you all can see it, and they have this little crystal flower on both the sides, and some stitch work, to give it a little texture and a little design. And the color is the main highlight, which is this lovely pastel sea green, turquoise kind of a color. And they don't go well with all of the colored outfits, but I like to wear them with almost everything, because I think the shoes become the highlight of my dress, and sometimes even if I look funny, I don't mind it. And the color is just lovely, and I just enjoy wearing them a lot. Now the fourth pair is also from Bata, and these I haven't worn even once till now. And these shoes are They're very similar to the ones that I just showed you all, but except for that these are beige in color, and they have this little elasticy thing onto the sides, which helps slide my foot inside easily. And they have a lovely very soft and velvet, but this pattern is like a lovely floral kind of a pattern which is present all over the shoe. And this is a number 5, whereas that was a number 4, and both of them fit me really well. So I guess with every piece of shoe, your number differs in Bata, so you have to try them out. It's not like if you are a number 4 in Bata, then all of the in all of the shoes you'll be a number 4, so the sizes can differ. But these are beautiful, and I don't know why I haven't worn them till now. They are just my absolute favorite, and I'm gonna wear them on some special occasion because I think they're gonna get dirty, because there's a lot of dirt around out here in India, so they will get dirty if I wear them too often, and then I'll have to wash them and like do all that washing and drying ritual. So this collection is still fresh. It's still available, as a spring-summer collection of Bata. So if you like these shoes, you can definitely go and check them out in the Bata stores. And for more hauls from me, do tune into my channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, which is somewhere here. Okay. So yeah, see you. Bye.